Hey Mark, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. Just thought I'd give you a quick tour on how everything went. I think you're going to be super happy when you get home. House is free of all the bugs and spider webs and washed down. So we went ahead and washed it from top down, got all the mold, mildews, spider webs and bug guts off. Got all this cleaned out real nice. So you'll be super happy. Your front entryway of the garage is super clean. No more bugs. Windows came out nice and clean. So thanks for having us here. I did notice there was some debris on top of a lot of your gutter screens. So while I was on your roof rinsing these higher areas here, I went ahead and just blew all that debris sitting on top of your screen so you can have good flow. Any questions or concerns you have, don't hesitate to call my cell, 815-520-6020. Thanks, Mark.